Hello, Jake Ford here from Kunes RV of Green Bay, here to go over the Cruiser 22RBS. This coach is about 26 feet 11 inches long and weighs about 5,700 pounds. It's made with a fiberglass outside and an aluminum stud. Up here you'll see that we have a pretty good sized through storage area here with magnets that hold open the doors. Over here we have a small little outdoor kitchen with a small little refrigerator and a capital grill cooktop. Also with the magnet latches. Up top here we got about a 12-foot awning. The good solid steps here with power stab jacks, power tongue jack, power awning, power slide, power options everywhere. All right folks, inside the coach here, we got a huge closet in here. Doubles a pantry and a coat closet. Over here, we have the entertainment system where we've got the fireplace, the TV, all of your switches for your slide, your awning, your electric water heater, your gas water heater, your tank heaters. Most of your lights are right on here. Also, you've got your Bluetooth stereo with speakers inside, speakers outside. Over here, we've also got our oven, 3-burner stovetop, microwave, sink, big country style sink here. Over on this side of the coach, we've got our 12-volt refrigerator. By pulling out all of the gas components out of the rear, you gain 2.5 extra cubic feet or more. Huge refrigerator in these coaches. All right, on the slide end of things, we got a big U-shaped dinette. Obviously, it also doubles down into a bed. Lots of storage underneath both sides. Now over into the bathroom back here, we have obviously your nice porcelain toilet, good style sink here, medicine cabinet, linen closet in the back, nice robe hanger, and then also over to this size, got a 36 by 30 shower with a nice door to go with that. Okay folks, now into the bedroom. We got a king size in the master suite here. We also got little nooks up top here on the bed with 110 and USB on both sides. Look at that, big old king size bed. We got cabinets on top, cabinets on the sides, windows that can be opened. Of course, we're gonna have them open on these hot days. Storage underneath the bed, struts that hold it up. All right, folks, to wrap up everything, we're on the back side of the coach here, on the other side of the through storage. Over here, we've got our outdoor shower with hot and cold. We've got our tank fill, our city water connection, and our black water, black tank flush as well. We also got a nice clean hole. All the hoses and everything come underneath, come through this little porthole, cleans up the whole area, makes it look nice. Also, hopefully you can see it, you can see the aluminum structure on the inside here. Now the aluminum plays an extremely important role in the fiberglass world here. Brings down the weight of the coach. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit lighter weight, because you've got a small SUV or something like that, fiberglass is generally the way to go. Helps keep the weight down there. If you have any other questions for us, come see us. We're just off of Brown Road in Swamico. I'm Jake Ford. Happy camping.